I am gone. Nah, show you how to cook a 5-ingredient gluten-free smoothie for college students using zucchini and grilling. This is a great high-protein, high-fiber gluten-free meal that is ready in 10 minutes. It's also great for building muscle, and most importantly, it tastes delicious. So let's begin. First, grab all your ingredients. You will need 1 large zucchini, 1 cup of shelled edamame, 1 ripe avocado, and 1/4 cup of lime juice. The zucchini adds a ton of volume to this recipe, making it filling and satisfying. And it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. The edamame provides plant-based protein and fiber. Tahini adds healthy fats and more protein. Avocado makes it creamy and rich, and lime juice adds flavor and zest. Now, if you're looking to gain muscle, I highly recommend adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This will make it especially filling and high in protein. To get started, cut the zucchini in half lengthwise and then cut each half into 3/4 inch thick slices. The easiest way to do this is to use a sharp knife and then just slice away. Once you've sliced the zucchini, place them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Next, preheat your grill to medium heat and then place the zucchini on the grill. Now here's an important tip. Don't move the zucchini around while they're cooking. Let them sit on the grill and char for 4 to 6 minutes until you get nice grill marks and they start to soften. After 4 to 6 minutes, flip the zucchini and then continue grilling for another 4 to 6 minutes. Once they're done, remove the zucchini from the grill and set them aside. While the zucchini is grilling, go ahead and add the shelled edamame, tahini, avocado, and lime juice to a blender. Get that nice and smooth. If it's too thick, add a little bit of water to thin it out. Then pour the mixture into a bowl. Next, add the grilled zucchini and toss them around until they're well coated with the sauce. Now you want to marinate the zucchini for 5 minutes. This will allow the flavors to blend together and it will make everything taste better. While the zucchini marinates, let's prepare the serving vessel. For this recipe, I'm using a 16-ounce mason jar. It's the perfect size for meal prepping, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. A regular old bowl works just fine too. Once the zucchini has marinated for 5 minutes, go ahead and add it to your mason jar or bowl and enjoy. I love using zucchini in savory dishes like this because it adds a ton of volume without adding a lot of calories. Plus, it's a great way to use up any extra zucchini you might have lying around. And if you're looking to gain some muscle, I highly recommend adding a scoop of protein powder to your smoothie. Just be sure to choose a high-quality protein powder that you like the taste of. Otherwise, you won't stick with it. And if you're looking for more easy recipes like this one, be sure to check out the blog. There are tons of easy, delicious recipes that are perfect for college students or anyone on the go. And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes and a guide to building muscle. Now, there are 2 things you can do right now to get even more results with this recipe. First, if you want to level up your cooking skills, check out the full recipe in the description for step-by-step instructions. And second, share this video with a friend so you can both get amazing results. After all, sharing is caring.